how to change Roblox age to 13 plus. You want to sign into your Roblox account and click on the gear icon in the top right and go into settings. So from here, you want to scroll down until you see your birthday and click on the pencil and paper icon. Now here, set your birthday to something that is going to add up to 13 plus. So we're just gonna do 2004 and you wanna click on continue. To update your birthday, you will need to verify your age with an ID. So we'll click on verify ID here and you will have to go through the ID verification process. So here, make sure you have your valid government issued ID. Make sure you are in a well-lit room and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. So here you just click on begin verifying, and this is just to make sure that you don't get the wrong age set to your account, and you can choose which type of ID you want to do. National ID, here you will just click on the camera icon and upload your ID, and you'll just go through the process. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.